Today I am hungry. I have been working outside trying to get my Christmas decorations finished, and I thought I would come in and make me a quick lunch with whatever I could find in the pantry. I knew I wanted a pasta salad, so I went ahead and put my noodles on to cook. I then went to the refrigerator and I found a couple of green onions, a red onion, some mozzarella cheese, and some sweet peppers, and also these marinated mushrooms. Now, if you have not tried marinated mushrooms, you don't know what you're missing. They are delicious. I also wanted this salad to have an Italian flavor, so I went to the pantry to get my dried Italian seasoning and some pepperoni. I also like this salad. I call it rough chopped. It just seems more hearty to me when it's chopped roughly and not so fine. Now, I got one of my mama's stainless steel mixing bowls that she used to use when cooking for large groups, like tobacco picking field hands. As you can see, it's well worn, but that makes using it even more special to me. So in goes the pasta. I should have let it cool a little more. It was really warm. But then I added all my chopped ingredients. Mix that up really well. You see it's smoking. I should have let it cool, but it's okay. Oh yes, I found some black olives in the pantry, sliced black olives, so I added those. That'll definitely give it more of an Italian flavor. There's the Italian seasoning I was talking about. I probably used a tablespoon or more. I added probably another tablespoon, but a touch of sugar to bring out the flavors. I like a little bit of sweetness, but I really want to taste the vinegar. A little mayonnaise just to get it all combined. Doesn't that look delicious? I've made this many times and we love it. And it's never the same. I don't go by an exact recipe and it's never the same. But we love it every time. I feel like if I can get that Italian flavor in it, that's my favorite pasta salad. It's just good. Good and hearty. Oh yeah, I did add a little Parmesan cheese. Salt and pepper. Now I'll put the ingredient list in the description of this video, but I'm not going to put the amounts. You add what you like in the quantities that you like. Like I say, I never fix it the same way twice. That's why I call it a pantry pasta. It's really what I have that day. What I can find in the pantry. I've seen people add tomatoes, cucumbers. We'll give it a little taste and see where we are. Oh, I had some sweet salad cubes that I had made last year in the pantry. So I put those in. Look how chunky that is. I love it. And it did need a little bit more mayonnaise. Just enough to get it all combined good. I didn't see it when we were going through the video just now, but I did put a splash of vinegar in there first thing. That's why I didn't want too much mayonnaise, too heavy a mayonnaise. Get it combined really well. One more quick taste. And yes, we are where we need to be. So let's get this poured up. We'll cover it and chill it in the refrigerator for a couple hours. It will be delicious. Well, like I mentioned earlier, I came in hungry, so I did not wait the couple hours for it to chill. I went ahead and dipped me out a portion, had my lunch, and went back to work.